And now for something completely different. Oh, hello there, and welcome today just to a quick dirty video, no titles or anything. Nothing when it was, just bored the other day, wondered what to do, started looking on YouTube and eBay and come across mystery boxes. And you have people there saying, spent 30 quid on this box, made 100 quid, spent 50 quid, made 300 quid. But is it really true? So what I decided to do was buy one. And here it is. And by opening it, and I've already broke the tape. Having a look in here, you can see we've got books, DVDs, which already I don't mind with that because that's grown-ups and actually I like grown-ups. I can actually watch that, which is good. Grow your own boyfriend. Probably not for me, but you know. In fact, what I got was all of this stuff. But the question is, looking at the full sale price, did he actually break even and make money? Now this box actually cost £30.68 from memory. So let's have a look at all these things in detail and see, did we make money, break even, or simply lose money? Right, so we've had the mystery box now for an entire day. I have had the chance to trundle through eBay and Amazon and see how much it is worth. Now I'm looking at the new price, because majority of the stuff is actually sealed, which is good, and see if it's actually possible to make a profit or a loss on it. Because many people basically on eBay say that they got these boxes and they made £10, £20, £50. So this is a real test, you know, nobody knows this is being YouTubed or anything like that. So what we'll do, we'll have a look. We're going to have a look at the actual new price, and then we're going to take off 30% for resale. So here we go, we're back to spreadsheets. So the first item that we had was the Queen pen. Now I thought that would have retailed probably about £1. Turns out it was £3.45. Then we had Grow Boyfriend, which I thought was hilarious. That's £2.99. The stress ball actually turns out to be a dog's toy, which is sold at £4.70. Then we have the Grown Ups DVD, £5.12. Brush, £1.99. Really couldn't find a listing for this, but we went for £1.99, which seemed the average. The Bath Bomb, £2. Sounds reasonable. The Awesome Power Bank, £7, which surprised me because I've seen them in the pound shop. Thought they're selling for about £5, but they are on Amazon and eBay at £7. King in Million Aftershave, £5.99. I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit disappointed at that. I thought an aftershave, it's going to be, you know, more expensive. But £6 better than £1 or something. And likewise with the book, I'd have thought, you know, it's a popular series, it's hardback, it's going to be worth a little bit of money. And it actually turned out that it's worth £2.95. So what I want to do is just do a resale loss of 30%. I was going to sell them. And that gives us a little chart there of the resale price. Now if you add all these together, what it tells us is that the price of the box, if I was selling it new, if it was a case you just print it on the shop shelf and people will come and purchase it as new products, then the box was worth £36.19. Now considering I paid £30.78 for it, that would give me a profit of £5.41, assuming all the items sold in the shop. However, I don't have a shop, so I'd have to knock 30% off, which then means that the box is worth £25.33. Paid £30.78 for the box, so it's a loss of £5.45. But the next question really with these boxes, can you actually use them? So with the Queen pen, I can give that to my daughter. Grow a Boyfriend, no idea. The Peach Ball, I'll keep, because I can just use it as a stress ball and I like stress balls. The Grown Up DVD, I'll keep, because I like Adam Sandler. Brush, Bath Bomb to my daughter. Now in the bathroom we do actually have like an air freshener, dehumidifier, and that works off power banks, so that can go in the bathroom. The aftershave I can use myself. Like I said, it was a bit disappointing that it was a cheap mate, but I can still use it, so I'll keep that. And the book, a present to somebody. In fact, Grow a Boyfriend, or probably just a present to somebody too. So at least the majority of the items I can actually use or give away, or my daughter's going to use them. So it's not too bad, and technically speaking, we can say that we've actually lost £5.45. You know, it's just one of those things. However, I was testing the power bank and discovered it was actually broken. So this then takes away the £7 item, which means even if you had a shop up losing £1.59, however, because it's just a play about, it gives you a loss of £10.33. So the £30.78 box, which did include postage, and you know, to be fair, did give you a loss of £10.35. So there we have it. So that's your January box. I know people like doing these. Hopefully this will be informative, because it's just a, you know, a guy buying one just because he was bored one night, rather than trying to say to everybody you're going to make quite a lot of money doing this. I might do one in February. We'll see what happens with the views on the video. If we get a few views, then I might do a February version. With a loss of £10.35, I decided to go and get a little scratch card from the corner shop. It's only £3. I played that, and as we can see there, that didn't win either, which means that I could be really unlucky in life. Maybe not. So that gives us a January 2020 total loss of £13.35. We'll probably do the format in February. We'll see what happens. And just as a quick final thought, always remember, if you can't afford to lose money, don't gamble. But if you're thinking about doing this to make money, think again. Thank you for watching, and look out for the next power plan video coming soon.